In this video, we're going to show you to install wiper blades on your Ford Mustang located at the base of your windshield. We're going to grab our wiper arm, and these particular wipers have a pivoting lid on the front of it. We're going to go ahead and use our pocket screwdriver, get underneath. And we're going to fold this up, it pivots. Lift this up, and we're going to slide our wiper blade back. Now that exposes the hook end on the wiper arm. Now we're going to gently lay this down on the glass. The reason why I do that is if you fold it up and it accidentally flops back down, that's going to smash your windshield, so we want to prevent that from happening. I'm going to take the new wiper blade, and this has a built-in arch lock on it. So what we're simply going to do is put it behind the hook, slide it over, pull it out, and you're going to hear it and feel it lock into place. Just wiggle it back and forth, make sure it's locked into place. Set it down, repeat for the driver's side. Once you've done that, you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.